Hi, I'm Susan Steins. I am super excited to show you this gorgeous horse farm in eastern Powhatan. Saddle up and let me show you around.
Situated on 10 acres with approximately 5 acres fenced, along with a riding ring and miles of horse trails in adjoining property. A 4 to 5 stall barn complete with rubber matted stalls and overhead fans is ready for your horses to move right in. A spacious, locked tack room is the perfect place to keep your saddles and equipment, and maybe even a few ribbons. Your horses will love the covered side area for their hay. The gorgeous Southern Living inspired home has a country front porch and a lovely craftsman style. The spacious kitchen comes complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, raised bar, and is open to the dining area. Enjoy quiet evenings in front of your rustic stone gas fireplace, which enhances the great room. The first floor master suite boasts 2 his and her closets and a luxurious walk-in tile shower. Spoil yourself and your tired horse riding muscles in this hot springs hot tub located off the stamped concrete patio and private covered rear porch. The second floor gives you 3 additional bedrooms and a large bathroom with dual vanity. All of this on over 10 acres of privacy, just minutes to Route 288 in the quaint town of Powhatan.
You really need to saddle up and come out and visit this place in person to really appreciate the beauty and privacy. Call me, Susan Steins, for your own personal tour.